Hello everyone, how are you doing? Hope you're well. Just want to send home a quick video and give you guys an idea of what we should be expecting for assessment week. That'll be coming up in just a couple weeks. So we just want to make sure you have all the supplies that you'll need ready to go so that we can get these assessments done as soon as we can. Crayons. Want to make sure that the crayons that we sent home in the packets, that you do have those crayons ready to go on the day of the assessment. You also would like to have a pencil, your sharpened pencil that we sent home. Please make sure it has a point, it's sharpened, ready to go. Your scissors. The scissors that we sent home in the last packet, the spring scissors, please have those ready. And glue stick. You want to make sure you have your glue stick ready as well. We also sent home some flashcards, sent home the Mickey Mouse shape and the number and counting flashcards as well for the draw and search activity. Please make sure you have those ready to go for the assessment because we are going to use those as well. Last thing we want to make sure that you have ready is a jacket. So parents, if you can just make sure your child has a jacket on hand ready to go, and make sure it has a zipper so we can kind of just assess how they're doing with their zippering skills. That would be wonderful. We're also going to be sending home an assessment bag with the next packet. So in that assessment bag, you're going to have materials that you're also going to be needing for the assessment that we're going to do. Boys and girls and parents, please do not open the bag until the day of the assessment. So the stuff in there is just for the assessment. Don't open it. Don't take anything out until the day of the assessment. So parents, just keep that bag safe and put away until the day of our assessment. All right, so we're also going to be sending home a puzzle with that assessment bag. It'll probably be right outside, but it'll have a label saying assessment. That puzzle, you're more than welcome to practice ahead of time. So that is something that will be outside of the bag and you can practice that puzzle. Just make sure you keep all the pieces. Don't lose the pieces. That way, when it comes to the day of the assessment, that's another thing that we're going to need to use is the puzzle that we're sending home. We also will have a name worksheet. That will be in the assessment bag. Please do not take that name worksheet out. So there's going to be about a 30-minute limit. So we'll probably shoot for less than that, but no more than 30 minutes for our assessment. Please make sure that you have a quiet space. So we'll schedule it according to when your house is most at rest so that we can make sure you and your child can get to a quiet place, a bedroom or a living room or some space where it's quiet with not a lot of distractions. That way they can focus as much as they can. We also want to have you remember that whether using a Chromebook or a phone, whatever you're using whatever device you're using to talk to us, you might have to pick it up, parents, and turn it around and show us what your child is doing. So just keep that in mind as well. The last thing is we just want to encourage you, parents, to let your child do what they can on their own. So please try not to help them at all during the assessment. We really just want to observe what they've learned through the year and their growth. And again, just encourage them, but please do not in any way try to help them answer any questions that I may be asking or anything like that, because we know they can do it. Okay, boys and girls and parents, I look forward to seeing you all soon. God bless. Bye-bye.